Welcome back everyone, this is Sebastian for Jet Set. Our first part of this episode is Wellington. So this is where you can do the Lord of the Rings tour. So we're going to start with the Weta Workshop. The Weta Workshop is the team behind Lord of the Rings, King Kong, Avatar. They're actually filming Avatar 2 at the moment. So we're not able to show you inside the workshop due to some copyrights. So no videos, no pictures. So this is why I'm showing you their website. So you can choose from many tours that they have available, like the miniature tour where you can see all those little miniature models used for some TV shows and movies. They have the cavern where you can actually see the creative team that they work on some replica like jewelry and costumes. Alright, so let's not waste any more time. Let's go to the Weta Workshop, and then I'm taking you on some film location for Lord of the Rings at Victoria Park. Currently at the Weta Workshop, we're going to get a tour. This is where they make all the props for movies like Lord of the Rings, Alita, Avatar. So let's go and take a look. So the space I'm showing you right now, this is just before you go inside the workshop. So the one thing I have to say, the staff were unbelievable. They will explain, show you all the props, the costume, how the creatures, the models are made. It's fascinating to see. You're actually going to be able to touch some of the stuff as well. For example, they explained to us for Avatar when they have a scene where the actor is running with a weapon, like a gun, for example. It's actually made of rubber. You can actually touch it and it's really light. But when they're doing a scene where it's just like shooting, for example, it's really heavy and it looks real. The reason they do that is just in case the actor is running, they don't want the actor to fall and hurt themselves with the weapon. So that's why it's made of rubber. So it's really cool. So once you finish your tour, make sure you give yourself some time to look at the gift shop. So they have a lot of things from the Hobbit movie for Lord of the Rings. So a lot of the items you will see here, you will not be able to buy anywhere else. So this is your chance to bring a very unique souvenir or a gift. So we're currently in Victoria Park. We're going to see one of the forests that they filmed for Lord of the Rings. So the first spot we actually saw is the first scene of the three movies where they were filmed, where the four hobbits, they actually fall down the hill after stealing from the farmer Mogo.
This is the very first location. That's where they started filming 20 years ago on October 11th, 1999. And the first scene they are shooting here is this one. See? And the other one, you can see it's not in focus. It's right, well, way below. I can't tell you exactly which one it is, but it's far away from here, so the camera had to zoom up here, and the reason for it...
Good morning everyone, we're currently in the town of Picton in New Zealand. Beautiful day, a little cool, so we're going on a wine tour today. So we just got off the ship, just walking around. Feel free to grab a coffee, sit in the park. Hopefully you get a nice day as well here. And we definitely go and sit by the water. Really nice. So we're just having a coffee. They're quite famous here for their coffee, just at Gusto right now. And then we're going on a wine tour. And just before our tour, we decided to hit the street and we found cute little stores and we bought ourselves little bracelets. Off we go on our wine tour. The first stop is From Winery. It's on the other side of Marlborough. It's a boutique winery, family owned. They do organic wine and also all handcrafted. Known for its red wine, old world traditional winemaking with a new world innovation. Our French guy Stéphane here explained to us the reason the wine is a little more expensive. It's due basically because in the vineyard it's a truly organic wine and the work is actually done by hand and not mass produced. The From is proud to make the oldest single Malbec in New Zealand. They also make a great Pinot Noir that truly shows the expression of the soil. The Syrah is co-fermented with Viognier. Something. We're currently in the Forest Marlborough Winery, so we're gonna try, I believe it's 3 different wines. So let's go inside. The Forest Winery and Tasting Room are nested in amongst the vineyard in the heart of the Sauvignon Blanc country. The atmosphere is so relaxed, it's also family friendly. The tasting room has a casual kiwi feel with comfortable seating in and also out, and bean bags to enjoy a lounge in the sun or sit at a picnic table and enjoy your wine by the willow tree and the duck pond. So I'm currently at the Spy Valley Winery.
All right. So this is a light body Pinot. Who doesn't like Pinot? Perfect for summer. So it's only 9 degrees of alcohol, so that keeps it for nice light. It's nice, eh?
Spy Valley is a New Zealand family owned with a reputation for consistency, producing great value, sustainable, award-winning wines. They also have an award-winning architecture and learn the secret behind the name Spy Valley. They do offer also a large picnic area overlooking the vines. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I was not a fan of their wine. I thought the wine tasted okay, maybe because I did 2 other wineries just before, but I did not buy any wine here. It was just not something I really enjoyed. But I do have to say, once our tour guide took us backstage, the backstage tour was fantastic, so it's well worth the stop. So this is all the cases of wine that are ready to go, and they're going all around the world, so there's thousands in there. The next section you're going to see right now on the screen, it's actually where they do their own labeling. So they actually label all their own bottles, they put them in boxes, and they get them ready for shipment, which is really cool. We actually saw a few cases going to Canada, so it's really cool. And then on the right side right now, you can actually see the lab. Not quite sure what they do in there, but I guess they're checking maybe different type of grapes and maybe doing some sort of experiment in there with the wine. So that's really cool. I really hope you enjoy our episode today. Make sure you click subscribe to our channel. Be the first one to see my video. Like, share, and feel free to give me any feedback. I always love to hear from you guys. This is Sebastian for Jet Set. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travel, everyone. Another winery. Getting tipsy.